In this video, I propose to take up 3 common skin problems: ulcers, varicose veins, and warts. Please listen carefully. Ulcers are a break in the skin or in the mucous lining of the alimentary tract caused by inflammation. Alimentary tract is the intestinal tract. The symptoms are a severe biting pain, at times massive hemorrhage which requires immediate hospitalization. If there is a sensation of burning like hellfire, offensive oozing, in cases of diabetic gangrene in extremities, the base of the skin is blue-black, or if there are ulcers on heels, the medicine is arsenic alb 200. Now these ulcers are not in the intestinal tract except when you feel that there is burning like hellfire. The ulcers can be in the mouth, very common, or tongue. Take Borax 200, Borax 200. If the ulcers have hard, elevated edges, the skin is purple and swollen, the medicine to be used is Calcarea fluorica 200. If the ulcers are accompanied by varicose veins, there are copper colored eruptions on the skin, use Calcarea iode 30. In cases of easy bleeding, when the skin is sensitive to touch, the sensation is of burning and stinging, Heparsulf 200, HEPARSULPH, mark the symptom easy bleeding, stinging pain. When the ulcers have regular edges as if made with a punch, mark the words, made with a punch, use Kali bichrome 200. For ulcers in the mouth, on the tongue, on gums, inside of cheeks, on tonsils, when the ulcers are full of pus, there is a fetid smell, the ulcers are painful, we prescribe Merc Sol, MERC SOL 200, very effective medicine. In chronic cases, in the mouth, give nitric acid 200. Actually, you can give nitric acid 200 for ulcers in the mouth in the very beginning. It will help. You don't have to wait for the ulcers to become chronic. Very effective remedy. There can be pus, there may not be any pus. Now the ulcers in the back, below coccyx, the last bones of the spinal cord, which are caused by pressure. When the patient has bed sores, give Paeonia, PAENIA 30. PAEONIA 30. Very effective. For ulcers near the genitals, near anus, use Thuja, THUJA 200. I take up varicose veins. abnormally swollen or knotted veins, visibly so. You can't ignore them. They are mainly in the legs. Symptoms are blue, swollen, distorted, easily visible veins, bulging beneath the skin. More prominent when standing. There is discomfort, pain in the legs after prolonged standing. In chronic cases and where there is burning, intense burning at night, use arsenic alb 200. In the legs of women who have had several pregnancies, varicose veins require fluoric acid 30. Very common problem. There would be varicose ulcers as well. So their veins are swollen, they are ulcerating, there can be oozing. Fluoric acid 30 comes in. Women get varicose veins with inflammation during pregnancy. Please give Lachesis 200, LACHESIS 200. For easy bleeding varicose veins, veins which are enlarged and spongy, use Millefolium 30, MILLEFOLIUM. In case there is stinging pain in the varicose veins, Pulsatilla 30 comes in. It's a remarkable medicine. The ulcers surrounded by varicose veins bleed black blood, which coagulates easily. Mark the symptoms. The ulcers surrounded by varicose veins bleed black blood, which coagulates easily. For varicose veins in extremities, where the veins are ulcerating, they rupture and bleed, sulfur 200 comes handy. The third item in this particular video is warts, very common again. You can recognize them. These are small growths on the skin or on a mucous membrane. For warts on hands, which are hard, horny excrescences, under nails and from the ends of fingers, use Antim crude 200. When we say horny excrescences, it means they have a horn-like shape at the top. Excrescences is the extension. Chronic warts on face, eyelids, eyebrows, nose, tips of fingers need causticum 200, CAUSTICUM 200. These are large, jagged, easily bleeding. When there are large, smooth warts in wet, cold weather, warts on back of hands, Dulca Mara 200 is useful, DULCAMARA. Nitric acid 200 is to be used when warts bleeds easily on washing. There is an oozing all the time. There is a pain as if somebody is piercing the skin with a splinter. The warts are large and jagged. Nitric acid 200 is of great help. For fig-warts, round like figs, intolerable itching and burning, use Sabina 30, SABINA 30 and apply mother tincture also locally. Warts on the margins of prepuce, the covering of the penis, requires Sepia 200, SEPIA 200. Suppurating warts, that is warts full of pus, cavities full of pus, requires Silesia 200, SILICEA 200. Thuja 1000 is the remedy for warts, Fig-warts, warts on genitals, cervix, anus. Extremely useful in chronic cases. Please listen to the symptoms carefully. Your choice will help you. Skin problems are not easy to tackle, but patience helps. Thank you very much.